here we go, guys. I'm going to do the meth test. Got 3 stoves. One in the middle is my Tatonka stainless steel one. One to the left is pop or a beer can, and the other one's the water bottle stove. What I'll do is I'll light them and then I'll come back. So they're all going now. Interesting little sputter from the Tatonka in the middle, but I want to see which burns the cleanest with the blue flame. I would expect the pop can to jet much quicker, mainly because the metal's thinner. But we're not having much effect yet as they get up to temperature. Right, guys, I don't know if you can see it. No, water bottle stove is jetting really well now. Look at that. Yeah, guys, so it's been about a minute now. You can look at the Tatonka. It's just got this yellow flame in the middle, whereas the water bottle stove, look at that, it's like a gas ring. That really is flaring very well. That's doing great. My little pop can stove's not really doing much yet. I would have expected that to get up to temperature quicker, to be honest. So there we go. I can actually feel the heat off this one. Don't know why my pop can stove's doing so poorly at the moment. It would normally have jetted by now. And it's difficult to see the flames really. Put the same amount of meth in all cookers, by the way, so they all had exactly the same amount. They're all out in the wind, and the conditions are pretty standard for all of the cookers. So yeah, I'll bring you back in a bit. So given they all have the same amount of fuel in, it's been 2.5 minutes, and in 2.5 minutes all the stoves have gone out with the exception of the Tatonka. I don't know if you can see it, it's still burning. So obviously the Tatonka is the most economical. That might jet furiously, but as I said in a previous video, obviously it just doesn't last as long. Mind you, for a quick boil that'd be okay. The pop can stove's gone out and really didn't perform at all.